Good morning, guys. Welcome to Journey with me. Today I have Janelle helping me in the kitchen.
Hi.
We're going to be cooking a Father's Day breakfast pizza, and she's going to help me get things together. Right, Janelle? Yeah? Are you excited? Okay. Janelle is 6, and then she has a 4-year-old sister upstairs who is bothering her visiting cousin right now. And then I have a 13-year-old boy as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we're cooking today. So on the ingredient list today, I've chopped up some green onions. We have some crescent rolls that we are going to use for our pizza. And then Janelle has put some bacon on. We have our eggs and we have some shredded cheese. So right now we're just going to cook our bacon. We do have our stove getting hot. We're warming this to 400 degrees so that we can bake the pizza. Right, Janelle? It's hot, so we have to be careful in the kitchen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we're just gonna wait for this bacon to cook, and then once the bacon is cooked, we'll come back and show you all the rest of the steps to get this breakfast pizza going.
Are those yours?
We ended up putting some pan sausage in the skillet because Janelle wanted sausage on hers.
Good morning, Brother George. I wasn't able to sleep.
So I'm cooking the pan sausage like ground beef.
Oh, yeah, because I wasn't able to. She told me to. This one told me.
What do you want to say, Janelle?
That looks good.
Tired. She said, stop. Man,
Okay, I've taken the dough out of the package. I'm going to give Janelle the camera so that she can video.
I was out, brother.
Okay, keep it on there. We're just going to roll up the sides.
I fell asleep with them at the after they finished their dinner. Oh, no. I gotta go. Well, see, you're killing me now. I gotta go back up there to that one then.
I want to do it too. Mommy's gonna be here too.
And we're going to pinch the things
I'll
together.
take her, so hit me when I'm gonna go back up and watch and secure it until you're done.
Okay. See, we're going to pinch so that none of the stuff falls through. Right, Janelle and Grace?
Yeah.
Okay, just like that. And then let's do the second one. So you keep the camera right there. We're gonna open up the second one.
Pop it.
Pop it open.
Pop it open. Pop it open.
There we go. We popped it open. Now you don't have to grease your pan. This will be on an ungreased pan. Okay, girls, let's move over to this pan because this one's gonna be y'all's.
Okay.
Okay, so we need to unroll it. Right?
Mhm. Yeah. Is it gonna be cold?
We're gonna unroll it.
Your arm.
My arm is in the way?
Yep.
And we're gonna
Not in the way.
roll it up like that.
No, it's not.
We're gonna roll it
It's
up.
my sister.
You wanna say hi, Grace?
Hi. Now, can I do it to you?
No. She's keeping her eyes on the food.
Mm. Okay, Grace.
Okay, so we have it rolled on that side, and now we still need to roll it on this side, right, girls?
Yeah. Grace, you're kind of learning how to cook right now.
And what do we do next so that we can keep the stuff inside of it? We pinch it, right?
Pinch it.
Pinch it like that so we can get rid of those lines.
Okay. Okay.
Like that.
Is it cold?
Yes, it is cold. We're pinching it together, right?
Mm-hmm.
You still videoing, Janelle?
Yep.
Okay.
But Mommy, how gets Janelle gets the video?
Because she's taller.
Oh.
Okay.
Not fair.
So, now, let's put on here some eggs. Right?
Yep.
Okay,
Mommy,
Grace?
can I crack the eggs?
Hmm?
Can I crack the eggs?
You watching, Janelle? Let's do it on this big one first.
Okay. Mommy,
Hmm?
can I crack the eggs?
No, you don't know how to crack eggs yet.
Oh, I can. You have to, like, crack them on a bowl and then, like, put them inside the bowl. Yep, just like that. Grace. Grace.
Okay.
Okay, there we go.
Let me get a little bowl. You over here. See, we got the eggs on there.
Yep. Try to crack them, and then they crack open.
Now let's scoot over this way, Grace. Your head wrap is all in your face. Let's do this one for y'all.
Okay. Grace, I'm trying to video this.
Gracie, scoot over some. That way.
Okay.
There we go.
Right there. Oh, stop making that face. Okay.
Are you videoing?
Yep.
Okay. Now for y'all's, I'm going to open your eggs up because I know that y'all are not gonna want to eat the eggs if you see the yolk like that.
Okay.
It's a piece of meat.
Okay.
Get a fork and see how I open yours.
You happy now, Grace? Oh, man.
Okay, so we have y'all's eggs on there.
Okay.
Now,
Oh, flat.
let's put some cheese.
Mommy, can I sprinkle the cheese?
Yes, I will let you sprinkle some cheese.
Yep.
Janelle, over here. And we're gonna sprinkle some cheese.
Sprinkle some cheese. No. And on the kids' side, Grace can sprinkle some cheese. It's a lot of cheese.
Like cheesy. Okay.
Yep. Okay, now sprinkle it on there.
There we go.
Yep.
You're doing good. Get some more.
Now sprinkle it on there.
Good job. Let mommy finish, okay?
You happy now? Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Mom. That's a lot of cheese, and I only put
You're
a little
welcome.
bit cheese.
All right, so.
Mommy, that's a lot of cheese, and I only put a little bit cheese.
On Dad's and Vernon's, we're gonna put a little bit of green onions too.
Yep.
Do y'all want some of these on yours?
Yeah.
Just a little bit?
I just want a little bit. I've never tried green onions before, I don't think. Need more. Okay, I need a little bit more.
That's it. That's enough, Gracie.
That's enough.
Okay. So now we're going to bring over the meat and we're going to start putting some meat on there.
Yep.
Okay?
Yummy.
Don't touch, Grace.
I want to do it too. Except, Mom.
No, Grace. Mommy's going to finish this part, okay?
Now, for the grown-ups, they have bacon.
They have bacon.
Yep.
And for the girls, we have our sausage. That we're going to
I have a piece of bacon by itself.
excuse me, girls. Okay, mommy's gonna sprinkle
That looks good.
the pan sausage on y'all's. That looks yummy.
I have a piece of bacon.
Yes. Grace, you want a piece of bacon?
Yeah. Get you one. Here.
And then on the grown-ups, I'm going to also put some sausage.
Wow.
It's gonna be good. Now we're gonna put this in the oven for about 10 minutes until the dough gets golden and the eggs cook.
I'm not almost done. I'm almost done.
Okay. Are y'all enjoying the bacon?
It's really good.
Is it really good? Okay. Thank y'all for leaving me one piece.
You're welcome.
Okay. Okay, y'all stay back. I'm gonna put the stuff in the oven.
Okay. Stay back because it's really hot.
It is really hot. The ovens are hot and it's not safe, right?
It's not.
Not for little
not.
kids.
It's not. So we have to stay back.
Yes. So we have our pizzas in there and we're going to stay back
Yeah, I saw that. It was like
and let it cook for about 10 minutes.
Mommy, can I do it?
No. Are you gonna sit there and watch it the whole 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, as long as you don't touch it, okay?
Okay.
Get back. No, ma'am. I'm getting ready to make you actually get up. Because you shouldn't be sitting there at all. All right, that's enough time. Let's get up. Yeah. Here's what the finished breakfast pizza looks like. He's mad because I won't let him eat.
Come on now. Come on now.
And put some fruit with some yogurt on the side. And I'm about to take the girls' pizza out now. So now y'all can cut into it. Let me get y'all a knife. Your pizza's ready. Come check it out. Yeah.
That's what she said. She's funny. She is really funny.
How's it taste?
Good. Very good. Very good.
Call your name.
So hey girls, how was breakfast this morning?
Good.
Did y'all like the pizza?
Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, it was really good to meet you.
Do you think that Dad and cousin Vernon liked it?
Yeah.
What made you think they liked it?
I think they may like it cause we helped you.
Exactly. I think they liked it because you all helped also. And because they ate all of it.
Yeah, and there's a lot of cheese.
A lot of cheese, yeah. All right, well, we'll give it 2 thumbs up. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, well, there you have it, guys. The girls liked it, the dads liked it, and it was easy. So try it out if you have a moment. All right, till next time. I'll see y'all later. Say bye.